Good morning, cyber traders, and happy Monday, everyone. How's everybody doing? Good to see you too, Dave Fudge. It's been a while. How you been? Mark Miles, good to see you. Looks like Ken Thole's back from vacation. What's up, Ken? Good to see you back. John, good to see you. Tavo, Anthony, good to see you, and all the new members and new students. All right, awesome. Well, I don't know if I will call you more students. I think I want to call you more, team players, because that's what really we do here at Cyber Trade University. It's not about just learning how to trade. It's making sure we're trading with each other and trading together, what makes it very exciting and fun. But it's great to see you guys. Well, guys, you know what? We have literally, it's 7 days till Christmas. So I'm probably going to say we probably got about another good 3 more days. I would say definitely by Thursday, things should really die out. Wow, winter begins. Let's just look at the calendar right now. It's the first day of Christmas, first day of winter on the 21st. A couple of days away. Anyway, regarding about what's happening on the market and what's been going on, market's been doing phenomenal. I don't know how more I have to say that, but you know what? Something came up to me, and regarding about this whole with the whole President Donald Trump stuff, I want to share with you. Which I want you guys to keep a very close eye on this. I honestly would have to say, no matter who you are, what fan you are, this guy actually is promising everything he promised he was going to do, which is very rare. We've probably never seen that before. Even if you don't believe in his policies, he's coming through with it. And one of the big things reason why I'm bringing that up is because, did you see the new thing he just passed, the bill about the internet and getting rid of all the Obama mandates regarding about the internet, regarding about how they could transfer data, and now they're worried about maybe they'll charge you more. Well, the reason why I'm bringing that up, guys, is because I don't know. We have to look at that because that might affect a lot of stocks. I don't know if Roku has something to do with that. I want you to keep an eye on Verizon. I want you to keep an eye on Netflix, stuff like that. Anything of the tech industry regarding it runs the internet. I don't know how this is react, because this is like a totally different something that we're not familiar with. We saw what happened with shipping stocks, right? We saw what happened to military stocks, but I think this whole thing about the market and industry, I want to keep focus on. So I don't know how this is going to affect certain companies, but I think that's going to be the next wave of stocks that we have to keep an eye on regarding about this whole new regulation thing that he changed regarding that. So keep an eye on that, all right, guys, regarding about that new thing that he overturned. Regarding about the market overall, let me tell you, I would have to say, and I've been talking, even some of my, a lot of my colleagues, my fellow traders, Republicans and Democrats, they said themselves, and they all agree the same thing, that one of the best things in the trading market is that when you have two different ideology of people, that what they think, it totally swings the market. Certain companies do one thing, and it's really bad for the other companies. So you have great opportunities to short and great opportunities to go long. But if you had the same policies going straight through, basically you probably wouldn't have any this momentum and volatility in certain stocks. So I'm just telling you, just keep an eye on all these promises that he did, because it's kind of rare to hear somebody kind of talk about that and actually do what he said he was going to do. And let's just see what stocks will be affected by it, because there's going to be some great shorts, there's going to be some great longs. So keep a very close eye on that, all right? Now, regarding about everything else that we're looking at it, let me tell you guys, Friday, are you kidding me? This LFIN. Have you guys ever seen yes, actually we have seen a stock like LFIN. But LFIN, I'll tell you, I'm a little embarrassed because I sold it too cheap. And you know what? It's very rare to find a stock that goes from 10 to 40. Now it's going to 50. And it's just a public company. It just went public about 3 days ago. Is that unbelievable? I mean, some of you guys killed it. And you know what's so funny? Like around 1 o'clock, I said, this stock, I mean, because we saw the writing on the wall. We learned this in class. That was a nasty shake, right? Right around 11 o'clock, but it was hovering at the highs. The writing was on the wall going right into the close. How that thing just ran literally from that $17 price range all the way up to 25. That obviously didn't do anything, but it gapped up pretty big today. But it's very historic to see stuff like this, and I think this is what all of us here kind of learn from when it comes to trading, where we see something like, you know what? Every day is a new day. Every day is just an unbelievable new day of trading, to kind of say like, oh, I missed that 400% mover or 300% mover. They're there every day, guys. It's unbelievable. But that one did really well. That was the big winner on Friday, and they said it's going to go to 50. Dana came out with some news. They said the stock was going to be a $50 stock. You know, it's at 37. It's doing a little bit of reverse right now. But guys, this stock, you can't trade a lot of shares of it, and it is a level 5 stock, period. So if you're not a level 5 trader, do not a cyber trader, do not trade the LFIN. All right, so keep an eye on that one. Another one that was pretty good on Friday too was the SSC. That one went from $3.40 all the way to $5. A nice little mover pop right there. Roku, like I told you, I don't know if this has something to do with the new mandate that he basically President Trump got rid of regarding the did to that. But Roku is in the same industry as Netflix, and it's been doing pretty damn well. And that actually was one of our swing trades. I know some of you have it as a swing trade, but it broke all-time highs. And I think a lot of us started realizing I think some of us got in around the $37, $40 price range. So you're doing pretty good, very strong. So breaking all-time highs, that's what you want. But I kind of feeling that stock was going to move pretty nicely, because you could see it was breaking. If you look at the long-term chart, that is exactly a beautiful Fausto flag, and, you know, breaking higher highs. So the Roku did pretty well too. I'm going to still put that on our watch list. So I still got these are spin-offs from Friday. We got Roku, we got LFIN still on there. Now, granted, it's not for everyone, it's tradable for everyone, but but there are a couple of them out there. XNet, we did really well with that XNet. It went from $4 to 26. It was a great short. Some of you guys, I don't know if it was on some of everyone's short list. It should have been, because anything over $5 after 5 days should have qualified for it. But it was a good short. In the afternoon, went from 17 all the way down to 15.40. A nice little pop right there. So overall, we did pretty well. Shake Shack, John, is Shake Shack's moving? What's the symbol on Shack? Yeah, it's not moving. It's not doing anything. SHAK. Yeah, Shack really hasn't been doing that much at all. It's coming back a little bit, but that stock took actually, it did make a big move on a swing trade. But overall, well, interesting. We did pretty well on that Shake Shack last year when it went to 90. But I don't know if probably keep an eye on it as a swing trade. But as a day trade, it's not really the easy stock to trade. Just kind of make that comment right there. All right, anyway, let's look at a couple of stocks that are making some big moves. So we got the Roku, we got the LFIN. There's not that many. It's typical Monday. Oh, not like last Monday. Last Monday we cleaned up. We had about 10 stocks. OVIT, another one that's up at 123%. She was up about she was high as 350, breaking all-time highs. But she started backing off. She dropped all the way to 2. She's got great momentum. 2.4 million, almost 2.5 million shares traded. She's got a nice little penny spread. Look at the icebergs over here, 15,000. You got nice iceberg orders out there on the Matrix, on the TradeStation platform. So that one looks pretty good. That one's going to make the Fausto watch list. LYHC, another one. Oh, I spelled it wrong. TYHY. That's a symbol. No, that's not it. I spelled it wrong. Must have spelled it wrong. All right, we'll scratch that. VIPS. That one. Okay, VIPS, $12 stock, 5-cent spread right now. This one looks a little bit nicer. This one's moving a little bit slower. You could see there on the pre-market how it's moving from $12 to $12.60. It's not up huge. It did gap up pretty high. It's probably it's having a tough time breaking this resistance levels right here. If it breaks that resistance levels, then we'll keep focus on. You can see there's already 6,000. You had 2 nice iceberg orders out here at $12.69 and $12.70. We'll see if they're getting taken out. Not that many buyers on the bid. You got a couple of you for 5,000 stuff. But there's a 10,000 share seller right here at $12.80. So great iceberg orders out this one. So the VIPS, I'm going to do pretty well. All right, anything I'm missing I did not call out? RIOT from Ken. Yeah, that one, like I said, it's got a nice push to it. RIOT, but she's been downtrending a little bit right now, Ken. So let's be a little cautious on that. But it's been a great swing trade. Great volume. Got some good iceberg orders right there. You can see it on the Matrix. So definitely that one looks pretty good. All right. That's why you shorted it? All right, well, there you go. No swing. Anyway, so I think we got 5 stocks. It's typical Monday. It's not like last Monday we cleaned up though. We had a nice 10 list, but that's what it is. I'm going to come back from a weekend. All right, everyone's hungover and not too much news comes over the weekend, but we have a pretty decent list. All right, anything I'm missing that I did not call out? Anything you guys want me to check out before we get ready to rock and roll? All right, now today is Monday. We have a lot of new trial members that want to start their trials on Monday. So for all you new trial members that are here, 3 letters we always tell you: look, listen, and learn. Cyber traders, let's show them how we do it and how we, why this is the #1 trading room in the world. I feel you guys are doing great. It's been unbelievable. I've been watching a lot of people. We have been doing pretty well. So I got to give us a nice little pat on the back for that one. Ken, I just have to tell you though, you missed out a good week last week. But you know what? Don't worry about it. Stock market didn't go out of business without you, so it's here. All right. But anyway, in the meantime, everyone, if you haven't talked to your education advisor, if you're a new trial member, please do that. Watch the videos, and if you like what we do, then we'll show you how you can join our team. All right, guys. Good luck today. Happy trading. I'll see you back at 2:30. Oh, I will not be doing the meeting at 2:30. I have to get an MRI. I might have a pulled shoulder. I might have a rotated cuff issue. So I'll let you know how a guy goes out. Let it go. Hopefully it's not nothing. Hopefully I don't have one. But Josh will do the afternoon meeting. Same here. I hope not. Hope not either. But I think I do. Well, it happens. I didn't go. There was the Jets one playing home, so I actually think I threw out my other arm because I kept throwing the football so much. All right, guys. Good luck, and I'll let you know how everything goes. And I'll see you back here tomorrow morning. Happy trading, everyone.